This video covers how to set up a programmable heated growing mat for starting seeds or cuttings indoors. Using this kind of mat, you can ensure even heat distribution within the root zone at the temperature you choose. What you need is a growing tray, sand, a shovel or cup, and something to spread the sand out so it's level. Once you have the base level done, you place the mat on top of it and then bury the heating mat. The heating mat I'm using comes with a separate controller that has an external thermometer that when combined regulates the temperature of the mat. Once it's set up, you can place the seedling tray on top of the sand and set the temperature. I've slightly buried the thermometer in the top of the sand to keep it in place and set the temperature to 76 degrees Fahrenheit. The way this unit works is the controller will power the heating mat until it reaches 76 degrees, and then it will turn it off. Once it dips below 76, it will power the heating mat back on. This setup is ideal for sowing seeds or rooting cuttings indoors, especially in the winter. If you live in a northern or cooler climate, it's almost a necessity if you want to get an early start in the spring.